This is not going to be like my typical videos, but I'm wondering how many of you guys out there that also make shorts, that also make videos, are also experiencing this. My shorts videos have gone from averaging 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 on their first day of posting to like 5. I just posted a video this morning. Let me just show you the results. Okay, so as you can see, we got 8.5 thousand, 2.35, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, and then slowly go down. 500, 100, 300, 200, 25, 17, 4. So let's look at today's video. 5 views. Maybe it's a terrible video, so let's look at the analytics. Alright, so 5 views. Shows how we got the views, 0 revenue, whatever. Shows in feed, 6. 5 chose to watch it. 83% viewed, 16% swiped away. 250% view time. I mean, those analytics look good to me. Fellow YouTubers out there, are you experiencing this as well? Is there an algorithm change or what is going on?